Hello Mustang lovers, this is Rick Star Gonzalez with another how-to video. Today we're going to remove the spoiler off my 2009 45th anniversary Mustang. If you follow some of my videos, you know that my other Mustang was totaled. Introducing my replacement Mustang. It's almost an identical replacement. The difference is that this is a 2009, my old one was a 2005. What I don't like is this spoiler. I don't like the fact that I can't get under there and clean that. So my goal is to take this off and replace it with the spoiler off the old car. It's a little bit lifted, the 05 style. You got 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there. And there's like double-sided tape underneath here, so it's stuck under there. I don't want to just yank on it because I might just pull off the paint. I thought, how can I detach that? Well, I'm gonna get some dental floss, maybe get 2 or 3 strands together and run it underneath here so I can detach that glue. Okay, we're gonna start by removing these bolts. It's a 10 millimeter. Get yourself a deep well. And we'll take these guys off. The other side. Well, we got the bolts out. Now we're going to take a piece of floss and we're going to put it under there. And around here is where the bolts are, I think. Okay, I'm going to try to get over that. So I was able to get my hand in there and push that floss over the bolts. So now we're gonna try it. Okay, got my floss. Here we go. See if it works. Oh, my floss couldn't cut it. So what I'm doing is I'm putting a hairdryer to it on high heat. Now where's the piece of cardboard in between there? Is it working? I don't know. I can't tell. So it's the next day. It got dark in me yesterday. So what I ended up doing was I wedged the cardboard in between and I was able to separate it enough with the heat applied, it stretched out. And then I was able to get a long bread knife and carefully cut the adhesive in half. And I was able to get it apart. This is the one from my old Mustang. So that's how I removed and replaced the spoiler of my Mustang. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you like my content, punch the subscribe button. Ring that notification bell. Keep the rubber down, and God bless you.